Here's a quick introduction to navigating Fleet. I've clicked the icon, the game is loading, you click launch once that button becomes available, and that brings you to the home screen. You log in with the password provided from Navitech. If you haven't seen this password yet, check your junk file. And then log in, loads the game, and then you have quick play or mission headquarters. Quick play allows you to get into the game right away. Mission headquarters is for mission specific information and the ability to get high scores in missions. So I'm clicking quick play, that brings me to the dry dock, and that's where we'll do the designing and engineering of the ship. So we come to this cut screen. You can always click or hit escape to make these things move faster. Here I clicked it and then I hit escape. So here's the dry dock. You can see that this ship already has many components. I'm resizing the window so it better fits into this screen. You see that green play button, that's going to be key later on when we want to go test this thing out. If you hover over any button, you'll get information about what that means and what it does. And when you click the first plus button, that has all the things that you could add to the ship. This ship button has everything that's already on the ship. So here's propulsion, here's advanced. These things are already on my ship. This is a holding place for extra parts, and then this bottom button allows me to change the view so I can look at the ship from different perspectives. There's 4 perspectives here, and you can also right click and drag to change the perspective. Well, let's go back and we can add one part to the ship. We can see that over here this is already meeting the mission specs, and then I've hit the green play button that puts water in the dry dock, and we're ready to go out and test this thing. So this is another cut screen. You can hit escape to make it move more quickly, and then this brings you to the available tests and missions that you can accomplish with this boat. So this has been a quick introduction to using Fleet. There's more videos to come about the missions and using different aspects of the game. Thanks.